Lorex offers a large selection of cameras in its 2K lineup. The LND4751 is a low-profile dome-style camera loaded with features that set it apart from the competition. The 4751 is an all-metal chassis designed to take on any weather, and because of its construction, can also withstand violent impacts, unlike other plastic security cameras. Lorex has built it strong enough for it to be given an IK10 vandal-proof rating. This camera can be mounted indoors or outdoors and vertically or horizontally. The camera also offers a cable slot for surface mounting. The 4751 is IP or Internet Protocol based and uses Power over Ethernet or PoE. The camera houses a 4 megapixel sensor and delivers a full 2K image up to 30 frames per second. This means incredibly smooth motion capture. The LND4751 is equipped with 10 infrared LEDs, which allow it to deliver a massive range in night vision up to 150 feet. Adding ambient lighting allows the camera to deliver great color night vision. This is rare for compact security cameras. This dome camera has a wide operating temperature range from as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera is also IP67 water rated, certified to withstand very powerful forces of water. This camera not only delivers great images in a compact size, but can record audio as well, featuring a fully weatherproof built-in microphone. The ability to record audio can expand the surveillance coverage beyond the actual field of view. In spite of its compact size, this camera offers a massive field of view of 120 degrees, which works very well for backyards or front yard driveways. The 4751 has a rotating ball head, which allows the user to easily adjust the angle and direction the camera is pointing. In fact, the camera ball has numbered markings to easily set the correct angle. This camera delivers high-quality images using HDR or high dynamic range technology, which ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from shade to full sunlight. Lorex 2K cameras produce high-quality images, yet keep video file sizes reasonably small with the use of HEVC or high-efficiency video codec, better known as H.265. The high-quality 2K images are compressed without sacrificing video quality or details. The LND4751 also uses DNR or digital noise reduction, which filters out digital noise from low-light areas, resulting in sharper and cleaner images. The 4751 kit includes a horizontal wall mounting bracket featuring a quick-release plate which allows easy installation of the camera. This plate is removed with the included Allen key. Allen bolts to attach the camera chassis to the bracket are also included. A double-ended Torx key to remove the dome cover is included as well. As part of the package, a 100-foot 30-meter Cat5 Ethernet cable is included, featuring the unique cable locking system. Once attached, the cable connection is sealed from moisture, dust, and accidental disconnection. Hollow wall anchors and screws are part of the kit, along with a quick start guide in several languages. A 24-hour window decal and an installation template are also part of the package. The LND4751 is a professional-grade dome security camera offering amazing performance in a small footprint. It will provide years of service for all your security needs.